Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm in front of my wife's new listing. I just came over and put the flyers box in. Let me show you the outside. It's a very beautiful home. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with an incredible layout, an amazing kitchen, and a lot of nice things inside. So tomorrow I'll be putting this home on a tour. So if you would like to see it, come back tomorrow or hit the subscribe button. It's a very beautiful home. But today's tour, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking you from this home to a client of mine's lot that he's currently building a dock. And I'm going to go back to my road tours that you guys have been asking about. So I'm going to do you this small, really little road tour, but I promise you I'm going to start making a lot of more road tours on Cape Coral. So feel free to hit the subscribe button if you like. So now let me get in my car and we'll start the tour. Okay, I'm back and let's start the tour. Well, I want to take the opportunity on this little small tour that I'm taking over to the lot of my client. I just want to, for all the existing subscribers, I want you guys to know that I'm going to start doing my tours again. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, and basically that's how most of my clients come from, those tours. And right now I'm going to start them again, probably starting next month. Maybe I could throw out another one this month, but I'm going to start doing them next month. This tour right now, it's not a really official tour because I'm not going to be driving around the neighborhoods and showing you the homes and doing all, you know, telling you about the assessments and everything about the area. But I just want to give you a brief for the new people that are watching, and if you're new to the channel, just want to give you a brief of how these tours work. Okay. Currently I have, I think, approximately 41 tours of different areas on my playlist in YouTube. I'm going to be putting a link below, so if you click on it, it'll take you to that list, and that way you can see my older videos. In a sense, because they're older doesn't mean that they're obsolete, because the link that I put for you to see the prices of the homes, you know, it's a live link. So any of those videos that you see that are from my list, you could click on it and it'll give you what those in that area, what those homes are worth at that time that you click the link on click on the link. So that's something that everybody likes because you get to see the neighborhood. And then if you like it, you go in the description, you click on the link, and you see everything that is available in that area. So if you guys want to try that, go ahead. I'm going to be starting to post, like I said before, I'm going to start to post probably next month. I'm going to start hitting one a week just for you guys to see the different areas. The reason why I'm redoing the videos is because after Ian, you know, a lot of people think that the neighborhoods were destroyed or something's different. I mean, I want you to see what it looks like now. Okay, I want to give you something more newer. So that way you get to see what, you know, what it looks like today. Okay. Also, you'll be able to see how's the construction doing, because you'll be able to see the homes being built everywhere. And the good thing about this time that I'm doing the videos is that there's a lot of more homes available. Sometimes I did a video of about probably an area of around 10 blocks, and there was only 2 or 3 homes available. So people click on the link and that's it. So now if you go back to those older videos, if you don't want to wait until I start putting the new ones, you get to see a lot more listings. Okay. And actually, like I said, what I do, I select the area that I drive by, and I put everything that's available. Everything that is new or old will show up there. And on that web page, you could actually select if you were looking for newer homes or older homes or whatever. So I hope you take advantage of that if you're thinking of moving here to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. And like I said before, a lot of my clients, they started with that tour. So hope you enjoy it. And now I'm also going to be adding, you know, I'm going to also continue putting new construction homes videos, and also I'm coming out with this new thing. You guys are asking a lot about what's going on in Cape Coral in the sense of businesses, what kind of businesses they have in Cape Coral. I'm going to be having a surprise for you guys, because I'm going to start a new playlist with small businesses. So yeah, that way you get to see, you know, restaurants and things to do and things like that. Everything, I'm gonna try to make it very nice and easy for you guys to see what's going on over here in Cape Coral. So my idea of all of this is for my channel, it's for me to show you what Cape Coral in Southwest Florida is all about, what it has to offer. That's what my channel is basically for. I need to sell the area first before you guys decide to move. I mean, there's a lot of areas in Florida that people are moving to, and I just want to show you how beautiful this area is and what a nice lifestyle you could have if you move here. Okay, that's my main idea. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. And I mean, if you have any questions about Southwest Florida or Cape Coral, feel free to contact us. My wife and I have been selling real estate over here in Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we can help you out. And this new way of selling and showing you what's going on with new technology, with YouTube and videos and stuff like that, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to get a grip of what really living here is all about. So that's basically my idea of what my channel stands for. If you go visit, I have a lot of different other playlists that shows you a lot of other types of things that are going on in Cape Coral. So right now I'm heading over to the lot of my client, and he's actually bought the lot I think like 2 years ago, and now he's actually building. He already built the wall. So I actually did a video when they were building his wall. So I mean, you see, I'm trying to give a feel for him and for all of you guys how it's to, you know, actually build a house in Cape Coral, you could say, because now he's building the lot, and as soon as he finishes the lot, they'll start building the house, and I'll continue doing videos on the progress of his home. So that way, you know, he has something to feel that that if something's going on in the property, you just don't forget about what's going on when they start building. I mean, I try to stay on top with all of my new construction clients through videos. So that's something that we offer with technology, and it's incredible. We have sold so many homes, you know, through the videos that is incredible. So right now we're starting to get close to my client's lot. This it's in the northwest area. It's a golf access, and it's an oversized lot. So it's a very nice lot, and you can see the neighborhood is surrounded by brand new homes. Beautiful neighborhood. And over here, we just got here to the lot. Check out the size of the lot. It's a triple side lot. And let me get off the car now, and what I'll do is I'll get closer to the dock so we can see what's going on. Okay, I'm out of the car. I'm gonna start walking over to the end. I don't want to bother anybody. I'm just gonna go there, take a quick look of what's going on, and so my client can see their progress, and hopefully I'll try to see if I come back probably in another week to see where they're at. But since the last week that I came, I mean, it's a lot of been done. I mean, that's really good. Here's the humongous lot with a humongous dock. This is big. Check it out. You have a space over here to park the boat, and then you have the other space where you're gonna put your lift on. And I think it has another area over there to hang out on top of the dock too. So it's a pretty nice big dock. So if you have any questions about this, or feel free to contact us, okay? And remember, if you're looking for a home in Southwest Florida, please give us a call. And I'll be putting at the end of the video all my listings. We have a beautiful home in Southwest Cape Coral with a pool, beautiful landscaping. We have another home in Naples, country living. It's just gorgeous. And we have another home over here in the northwest, the one where we started the tour. It's going to be going on Sunday. And it's another beautiful home. So I'm going to put them all at the end of the video. So feel free to, click on it and see them if you are thinking about moving to Southwest Florida. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.